Hello, today we will learn about the process and actions taken when a new application is received within the D-SPP platform. In our browser, we must enter the following address, d-spp.org. Very well, now we will be able to visualize the main window. In the top menu, select the tab Certification Bodies and click on the option Login. Now we must enter our SPP code and password. After we have logged in, we will be able to visualize the main window, where we will be able to find information about the new applications that need to be reviewed and the certificates that are about to expire. The process we must follow when we receive an application is next. When we receive a new application, we can visualize it in the main window. To consult the information, we have to click on the option Applications and select SPO's applications or company applications. Now we will be able to visualize the window of applications, inside which we have three sections: pending applications, applications in progress, and cancelled requests. Within the pending application section, we will find applications that currently do not have a quotation or it hasn't been accepted yet. To send a quote, we must click on the button Quote. A new window will pop up. Here, we must first select the type of certification procedure that will be made. Now we have to upload our quote file and click on the option Send Quote. In this window, we have a section to consult the list of quotations that have been sent to an organization. In order to consult the details of an application, we must locate the Shares column and select the Share button on the application we need to consult. We can also consult the application by clicking on the ID of the application. Applications for certification and registration are made up of 7 sections for first-time applications and 8 sections for renewal cases. Once in the application, we have the possibility to update the information of all the fields that are shown. You only have to write on the field that you need to modify, and the information will be updated automatically. In the section Applications in Progress, we will be able to find the applications of the organizations that have accepted our quote. In this section, we have the certification process column, where we'll be able to visualize the percentage of progress for the certification in the organization or company. Once an organization has accepted our quotation, we will be able to start with the corresponding certification process. In order to update a certification process, we must click on the certification percentage bar of the organization we want to consult. Now we are going to be able to visualize the window of the certification process. Each certification process is made up of 7 stages, which must be completed in order to mark the process as completed. In stage 5 of the process, we will be able to update the status of the certification process. Within the stage, we will be able to issue the positive opinion or negative opinion. In some statuses, the system will ask us for a complementary information in order to continue the process. Once the process has finished with a positive opinion, we will be able to load the corresponding certificate. In order to upload the certificate, we must set the start date, and the system will automatically provide us with the end date so that the certificate has a duration of 1 year. In order to be able to send the certificate, we must load the evaluation formats. Once we have uploaded all the files, we will be able to send the certificate. The certification process concludes with the sending of the certificate. The system will notify the organization or company when the certificate is available. The completed certification process can be found by clicking on the Certification Registration Process option and selecting the Completed Process tab. In case of any doubt or problem, you can contact us at the following address.